This is our K3 RGB rotary controller. With digital tool to display the color setting value, easy to operate. There is a rotary knob on the controller, so press to turn on or turn off the controller. In the state of power on, long press the rotary to select the output frequency, 0.5K, 1K, 2K, 4K, and 8K. You can rotate the knob to adjust the brightness, increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, range from 1 to 100. Then double click and switch to the RGB mode to adjust the RGB color, range from 1 to 64. Our K3 can compatible with T3 remote control. There is one touch circle and 8 keys on the remote. Pause key, on-off key, brightness up and down key, speed up and down key, mode up and down key. Now we learn the ID between the remote control and controller. In the state of power off, long press the rotary for 3 seconds. When the digital tool display FF, then press any key on the remote control. The LED controller is on. The ID learned successfully. Now, we press the touch circle and dim your favorite color. Or press the up and down key to select the color changing mode. Adjust the brightness, decrease the brightness, increase the brightness, adjust the speed.